Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. How are you? Students, I hope you all are doing great and I hope you all are regularly watching my video lessons. Yes students? So students, let's begin with our today's video lesson. But before beginning with the video lesson, you have to do three things for me. You have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel and you have to share the video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, so let's get started. Students, in the recent video lesson, we have discussed the question answers of part first and second. So, I hope you have understood the question answers well and I hope by now you have completed your assignments as well. So, students, today we will continue by discussing the question answers but of part 3, right? So, you have some questions on page number 46 of your English course book. So, today we will be discussing those question answers. So, let's quickly begin with the topic now. Students, before beginning with today's video lesson, I would like to request you all that kindly sit with a pen and paper so that you can write down all the key points which I am discussing with you people in the video lesson so that you can frame your answers by listening to my hints. Okay students? So students, first question is again related to summary so that you can do by yourself. Okay, I'll simply come to the second question. So your question number 2 says, what made Sukhram confident enough to lead the troops up the goat trail? So in the question is about the confidence of this boy. You all know that in the story, Sukhram was a blind boy. But do you know what was the secret that even this blind boy had enough of confidence? Yes, what could be the reason for that? Well, what should we write in the answer? Students, we can simply write that his experience, his connection with nature, his positive attitude towards life helped him in leading up the goat trail. Okay, clear? Now next question. Now students, let's see the third question. What was the reason the old men said that people would sing ballads of Sukhram Lodhi? What is the reason that people wanted to write ballads for Sukhram Lodhi? Yes, what was the reason for that? What he has done for them? Yes, what could be the answer for this question? So students, in this question we can write the answer like this. Sukhram's guidance helped his team in succeeding from Britishers, right? They successfully climbed up the goat trail and retreated the Britishers, right? That is why the old men said that ballads will be written for Sukhram. And why he wanted to write that? As a token of love and appreciation. Okay, they wanted to thank Sukhram. That is why it was their gesture to say thanks to Sukhram. Okay students, this answer is clear to you all? Okay, now let's proceed further. Students, question number 4, that is, I want to thank you, he said. Without you, this could not have been done. So students, this question we have already discussed a lot many times, right? So you can do this question by yourself in the book itself. Now I'll simply move to the next question. Question number 5th. Okay. Why did Sukhram need to mention that his eyes were clear and black? Students, you need to understand the question first. Okay. The question says, why did Sukhram need to mention, why he has mentioned that his eyes were clear and black? Why he has used this adjective for his eyes? See, students, you all know that he was the one who was leading the team, right? So, he wanted to tell everyone that I am the leader, right? So, I can see everything clearly. It means he wanted to say that I have already experienced this way. So that is why I am leading you all. So in this way, his eyes were clear. Okay. And with the adjective black, he wanted to say that he is a blind boy. Right. So these two adjectives, clear and black, were used for Sukhram. Okay students. Clear because he was the one who was guiding everybody. And black because he was blind. Okay. Is that clear to you all? Now students, let's see the next question. Question number 6 says, why did Sukhram think it was strange that the English riders couldn't see where the Indian soldiers had gone. Now this is very important question, that what could be the reason that Britishers were unable to find Indian soldiers. So students, what could be the reason for that? Here we have to understand that for Sukhram it was strange that English riders couldn't see where the Indian soldiers are. Now students, you all know that Britishers are very powerful, right? They have capital, they have resources, they have ideology, they have everything. But then also they were unable to find the Indian soldiers. What could be the reason for that? Perhaps there might be two reasons. Number one, that the horses of Britishers must be tired, or number second, that the Britishers were confused. They were unable to find the way, right? That is why they were unable to find the Indian soldiers. Okay students, clear? So students, now question number 7, question number 8 and question number 9, these questions are thinking based. Okay, these are opinion based. So as you all know that everybody's opinion differs, so you have to try these questions by yourself. Okay, and if you still face any problem in writing the answers, you can contact me in the comment box. Okay, I'll help you to frame the answers for these questions. Now I'll simply come to the 10th question, which is very important. So students, the question says, Sukhram was 14 and he knew that people felt sorry for him. But he thought if only they could guess how beautiful his world was, they would envy him. Students, what do you understand from this question? See, in the first line, we have to understand that he was a boy who was 14 years old and he was understanding that people used to felt sorry for him. Sorry because he was a blind boy, right? So everybody was sympathized towards him, right? Just because he was a blind boy, okay? But he was thinking that if other people could know that he was very happy in his life. Although he was blind, but he was happy because he was connected with nature. Okay students? So the first question is, why is the attitude of feeling sorry for the differently abled wrong? Differently abled means those people who are having any disability, okay? Who are having any physical problem, physical disability, right? So do you think students that this attitude of feeling sorry for them is right? Do you think so? Well, I will be waiting for your responses in my comment box below. Okay, so you have to answer me this question along with your name, class and section. You have to tell me that is it right to feel sorry for differently able people? Well students, if you will ask about my opinion, I will only say that this attitude is wrong. And you know why this attitude is wrong? Because although we should have sympathy for such people who have some disability, right? Any physical disability or any physical malfunctioning, but they also need respect and love in their life, right? These kind of people, these disabled people, these are also human beings and we should understand that. All they need is opportunities. Okay, they also need a chance to change their life. So students, if we see the example of Sukhram, we can understand that this boy was very positive in the story, right? With his positive thoughts, he changed his life and at the end was able to lead the troop and they all were succeeded, right? So they shouldn't be deprived of opportunities. Equal rights should be given to them. This is how we can help these people to grow, to develop, right? We should support them, right? We should not laugh on them, right? We should not make fun of them, right? These people are also human beings and we should respect their sentiment and we should also give them a chance to grow and develop. Okay, all they need is our love and it's okay that we are giving sympathy, that is fine, but our support is also equally required. Okay students, I hope you have understood how to write the answer for this question. Now students, question B you have to write by yourself and you have to give me your response in the comment box for this question as well. The question says, if you were Sukhram's friend, how would you have behaved with him and why? So you can simply write this answer in one statement, okay? So I'll be waiting for your responses. So make sure you give me the answer for these two questions. Okay, students? So I hope you have understood all these question answers well. If you face any queries, you can write in my comment box below. Okay? So students, that's it for today's class. I hope you're understanding the content well. So now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, you have to keep on learning and you have to keep on completing your work. And yes students, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share the video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, goodbye, take care.